Hello, and today we're going to be unboxing a MTB basket. I got many of these, so I have good hopes for this. This is box 312. It has these openings. Goldfish, trout, panfish, everything else. First we got a couple white shad and black shad. They look nice. I think they can catch some fish. Jerkbait, minnow junior. And it looks like we got a skip jig. Not sure what that is, but it looks cool. Some hooks. Got got a little craw. I have some more of these, so I might give them away to a friend. Called the vile bug. So some sort of craw thing. And of course we got dibble. The Bible shows you how to fish stuff, how to use the lures, where to fish the lures. Shows you all of this in here. No, it's just a quiz. The record. A little fact down here. Conditions for bass, thunderbolts and lightning. Yeah, there. That is it. Pretty much all for this video. Hope you enjoyed. I'll see you in the next one.